My name is Karim Bibawi. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Retroficiency. We're an energy efficiency software company out of Boston. Our mission is to scale scale energy efficiency in a fundamentally different way, and the way that we do that is by providing software. Our software tools are targeted at utility companies, facility management companies like Jones Lang LaSalle, energy services providers like Schneider and Train. And what I talked about today is the idea of developing appropriate strategies in your energy assessment process. And what we found in our experience is that developing the appropriate strategies up front really can help drive your effectiveness and efficiency of your energy assessment process, as well as help you drive deeper savings at a higher ROI. So that was really the topic of my presentation today. We talked about 4 key questions that one should ask in developing your energy assessment strategy. The first is, how many buildings do you have to evaluate? The second is, what kind of data is available about those buildings? The third is, what kind of resources are available, whether they're technical expertise or tools? And lastly, what is the outcome that you're trying to achieve? Are you looking to prioritize measures across a large portfolio? Or are you specifically looking for specific measures within a building? And what we've found is by answering these questions, you can determine what tools to use and what resources to bring to bear at the appropriate time. And we found that companies who mismatch the appropriate resources and tools very quickly drive up the cost of doing energy efficiency analysis and are not able to reach as many buildings as they otherwise could. Whereas if these questions are answered appropriately and upfront, then you can address a much broader portfolio of buildings and achieve a higher ROI in your energy management process. It's a great time to be in the energy space. We saw Colin Powell earlier in our conference speaking about the great opportunities and the future impact of our industry. What we're seeing is several trends. So within utility companies, we see continued increases in program goals, and utilities are increasingly looking for ways to better prioritize their programs and achieve these increasing and more aggressive goals. On the facility management side, we see companies are now more and more on the hook to deliver savings and are therefore looking for tools that allow them to prioritize their energy efficiency efforts, as well as execute on their energy audit processes in a much more cost-effective and efficient way. And similarly, in the world of energy service providers, we find that providers are really interested to understand how to make their very limited technical resources more effective in addressing energy conservation measures and analyzing for energy conservation measures in their buildings. I love my job. It's a good time to be in energy. I love we're introducing new tools into the marketplace, and we at Retroficiency are very passionate about using technology to scale energy efficiency, as I said, and it's just great to see utility companies, facility management companies, ESCOs, and the market in general responding very well to our products and services.